Welcome to my channel Bulgarian Language Academy Bella, where you can learn Bulgarian language with me, Bistra. Today we are looking at some phrases like от днес до утре, from today till tomorrow, от днес до вдруги ден, from today till the day after tomorrow, от вчера до утре, since yesterday till tomorrow. Once more time. От днес до утре. От днес до утре. От днес до вдруги ден. От днес до вдруги ден. От вчера до утре. Билетът важи от днес до утре. Билетът важи от днес до утре. The ticket is valid from today till tomorrow. Билетът важи от днес до утре. Изложбата продължава от днес до вдруги ден. Изложбата продължава от днес до вдруги ден. The exhibition lasts from today till the day after tomorrow. Изложбата продължава от днес до вдруги ден. Подготовката трае 2 дни. This is a different sentence and it means the preparation lasts 2 days. Подготовката трае 2 дни. Now we have this expression от ден до пладне. От ден до пладне means that something doesn't last long. От ден до пладне. Someone's not serious, maybe they're saying they'll change their behavior. Something, or they'll do something, but they start doing it and then stop soon after that. And that's when you say от ден до пладне. When you know this is not going to last. It will be short lasting. От ден до пладне. От днес за утре. От днес за утре is something that you need to finish or do. So maybe you have a task to finish, something you need to do from today for tomorrow. So it is for tomorrow. You started today and you have to get it ready for tomorrow. От днес за утре. Let's say you are cooking something, you are making a meal today, and that meal is for tomorrow. Maybe you're making a cake, you're expecting guests, and the cake should stay in the fridge, and then you're saying, тортата е от днес за утре. Тортата е от днес за утре. We are going to eat it tomorrow. We are going to use it tomorrow. От днес за утре. The cake is from today for tomorrow. What other expressions you know or sentences you can make? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. That's all from me for now. Довиждане. Goodbye.